Today's video is being sponsored by Indium91.com. Be sure to visit the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, man. Once again, my name is Nate Matthews. If you like what you've seen, make sure you hit that thumbs up button before y'all get up out of here. If you want to see more embroidery type videos, hit the card that pops up, or even click the playlist that you might see on screen right now. If you have a design of your own that you would like turned into a patch, get at me. I'm your guy. All my info is going to be in the description, and if you have an embroidery machine but just don't know how to turn your design into a patch, get at me. I will convert the file for you. Link is in the description. Catch y'all on the next one. Oh, by the way, what y'all want me to design next?